Welcome back to Dr. Pawledge, the channel dedicated to providing professional and authentic advice for pet owners. In today's episode, we will be discussing an important topic, dealing with ticks and fleas in cats and dogs. We'll uncover lesser-known facts and share fascinating tips and tricks to help you protect your beloved pets from these pesky parasites. Understanding ticks and fleas. Before we dive into the details, let's first understand what ticks and fleas are. Ticks are arachnids that latch onto the skin of animals to feed on their blood. Fleas, on the other hand, are small insects that also feed on blood and are known for their jumping abilities. Both parasites can cause severe discomfort and health issues for our furry companions if left untreated. Now let's explore some lesser-known facts about ticks and fleas. The dangers of tick-borne diseases. Ticks can transmit various diseases to both animals and humans. Lyme disease. One of the most well-known tick-borne diseases is Lyme disease. It is caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi and is transmitted primarily by the black-legged tick, also known as the deer tick. Lyme disease can affect both dogs and cats, causing a range of symptoms such as joint pain, lameness, lethargy, fever, and even kidney damage if left untreated. Early detection and treatment are crucial to prevent long-term complications. Anaplasmosis. Anaplasmosis is another tick-borne disease that affects both pets and humans. It is caused by various species of the Anaplasma bacteria and is transmitted through the bite of infected ticks. Symptoms may include fever, loss of appetite, lethargy, joint pain, and even neurological issues in severe cases. Timely diagnosis and appropriate treatment can significantly improve the prognosis. Erlike Uses. Erlike Uses is a potentially serious tick-borne disease caused by the bacteria Erlichia. Dogs are particularly susceptible to this disease. It can lead to symptoms such as fever, anemia, weight loss, bleeding disorders, and even organ damage. Early detection and prompt treatment are crucial to prevent the progression of the disease and its complications. Rocky Mountain Spotted Fever. Despite its name, Rocky Mountain spotted fever can occur in various regions, not just the Rocky Mountains. This disease is caused by the bacterium Rickettsia rickettsii, which is transmitted through the bite of infected ticks. Symptoms may include fever, headache, muscle pain, rash, and in severe cases, organ failure. Early diagnosis and treatment are vital for a successful recovery. Babesiosis. Babesiosis is caused by microscopic parasites of the genus Babesia, which are transmitted by ticks. It primarily affects dogs but can also infect cats and humans. This disease attacks red blood cells and can lead to symptoms such as fever, weakness, anemia, and jaundice. Prompt diagnosis and appropriate treatment are crucial to prevent complications. The flea life cycle. Now let's dive into an intriguing aspect of dealing with fleas and ticks. The flea life cycle. Understanding the life cycle of fleas is essential for effective control and prevention. By breaking this cycle, we can significantly reduce infestations and ensure the well-being of our beloved pets. Egg stage. The flea life cycle begins with eggs. Female fleas lay hundreds of eggs on their hosts, which are then scattered throughout the environment. These tiny oval-shaped eggs are not easily visible and can be found on your pet's bedding, carpets, upholstery, and other areas where your pet spends time. Larval stage. From the eggs, larvae emerge. These tiny worm-like creatures are about 1 to 2 millimeters in length and are usually white in color. Larvae are not attracted to light and tend to hide in dark, protected areas such as carpet, bedding, and cracks in floors. They feed on organic matter, including flea feces, skin cells, and other debris. Pupil stage. After the larvae have fed and grown, they enter the pupil stage. Pupae are enclosed in a protective cocoon made of silk, which can be sticky and easily adhere to surfaces. Pupae are resistant to environmental conditions and can remain dormant for weeks to months, waiting for favorable conditions to emerge as adult fleas. adult stage. The final stage of the flea life cycle is the emergence of adult fleas from their protective cocoons. Adult fleas are small, dark brown insects with flattened bodies that are specialized for jumping. They seek a blood meal from their hosts, typically our beloved pets. Once they have fed, they begin reproducing and the cycle continues. It's important to note that the flea life cycle can vary in duration, ranging from a few weeks to several months, depending on environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity. Understanding this cycle is crucial because traditional flea treatments primarily target adult fleas, leaving eggs, larvae, and pupae unaffected. This is why comprehensive flea control involves addressing all stages of life cycle. Tick and flea prevention. Prevention is crucial when it comes to tick and fleas. We'll discuss different preventive measures such as spot-on treatments, oral medications, and collars. So let's go over some of the most effective methods of controlling these parasites. Spot-on treatments. Spot-on treatments are a popular and convenient method of preventing ticks and fleas. These treatments typically come in form of liquid or gel and are applied directly to your pet's skin, usually between the shoulder blades. They provide long-lasting protection by killing adult fleas and ticks and inhibit the development of eggs and larvae. Consult with your veterinarian to choose the most suitable spot-on treatment for your pet's specific needs. Oral medications. Oral flea and tick medications are another effective preventive option. These medications come in the form of chewable tablets or flavored treats that are easily administered to your pet. They work by either killing adult fleas and ticks or inhibiting their ability to reproduce. Oral medications often provide extended protection ranging from 1 to 3 months. Again, consult with your veterinarian to determine the most appropriate oral medication for your pet. Flea and tick collars. Flea and tick collars are a convenient and long-lasting preventive option. These collars are designed to release active ingredients that repel and kill fleas and ticks. They are easy to use and offer continuous protection for several months. Ensure that the collar you choose is appropriate for your pet's species and size, and follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper fitting and usage. Environmental control. Implementing environmental control measures is crucial in preventing ticks and fleas from infesting your home and yard. Keep your living spaces clean by regularly vacuuming carpets, washing bedding, and thoroughly cleaning areas where your pet spends time. Mow your lawns regularly, trim shrubs, and remove debris to create an environment less favorable to ticks and fleas. Consider using pet-safe insecticides or natural alternatives in outdoor areas to further reduce the risk of infestation. Tick and flea checks. Regular inspecting your pets for ticks and fleas is essential for early detection and prompt removal. Run your hand over your pet's body, feel for any bumps or unusual lumps. Pay close attention to areas such as the ears, armpits, groin, and between the toes, as ticks and fleas often prefer these warm and hidden areas. If you find any ticks or fleas, use specialized tools such as tick removal tweezers to safely remove them. Professional pest control. In severe infestations or persistent tick and flea problems, it may be necessary to seek professional pest control services. Pest control professionals have access to specialized products and expertise to effectively eliminate ticks and fleas from your home and yard. They can provide targeted treatments and offer advice on long-term prevention. As we conclude today's episode, it is crucial to remember that dealing with ticks and fleas require consistent effort and a multifaceted approach. By understanding their behavior, implementing preventive measures, and using appropriate treatments, we can keep our pets safe and healthy. Thank you for joining me today on Dr. Pawledge. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our future content, dedicated to providing expert advice for all your pet-related concerns. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comment section below. Remember, your furry companions deserve the best care, and together, we can make sure that they lead happy and healthy lives.